Hey, parents. Thanks for bringing your kids to come learn and draw with Miss Val. Hey, kids. I'm glad we're drawing together again today. Let's learn to draw a tractor. This one's going to be fun. We're going to make triangles and circles into our drawing. Here we go. Let's start with a circle for the back wheel. Okay. There's our big back wheel. Let's draw a rectangle for the tractor. Maybe a little further over. A rectangle. There we go. We're going to need a smaller tire up here. Let's draw another part of the tractor right here. There's going to be another rectangle. Okay. There's usually a step. To come up, we need a seat for the and a steering wheel next. Let's do a line and an oval. There's our steering wheel. Let's do a seat next. We'll do part of a rectangle and another up here. That'll be our seat. Let's do the center of the tire, another circle. And one more around that. There we go. It's usually a smokestack. We'll draw 2 lines this way. Another 2 lines that way. Then there can be some smoke coming out of the engine. You can draw a headlight, little half circle, some lines. Now, it's usually kind of a piece up here. All right. Erase some of our extra lines. Usually, the tire's kind of knobby. So let's draw a bunch of squares all the way around. It's the tire's tread. Big, chunky tires. Right. Let's finish this tire too. All right. And get rid of some of our extra lines. Outline our drawing first, and then we can color it in. Let's get our tire. Get our step. Let's do our next tire. Steering wheel. Fender here. Smoke pipe. Headlight. Okay. And make her tractor green. Okay. And let's color that in. Tires. Right, got the center of tires gray now. For the metal part. Very good. Now let's color in the body of the tractor. Good. I'm going to test my color. See which green would be one. All right, there's our green tractor. Give a little gray smoke coming out. It's tough for the tractor. Maybe it's in a green grassy field. Have some blue clouds. And the sky. You can put a little sunshine up here. I'm proud of you. Keep drawing. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like and the subscribe button to stay updated. It helps me make more videos for you. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.